You only have 1 hour to complete your Shabbat meal preparations and you don't know where to start? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, I will share with you my many tips and tricks on how to have a full Shabbat prep with its 3 meals ready in only 1 hour using simple ingredients and recipes. This Shabbat meal prep is not only fast and delicious, but as a bonus, it is gluten-free and all the recipes are kosher for Passover, including modifications if you don't eat kidneyot. And of course, if you like this kind of content all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful Jewish life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. To complete this Shabbat meal prep in 1 hour, it is important to follow the order of the different steps, and of course, all the recipes will be in the description box below. Your first step will be to saute your riced cauliflower, or if you use some rice, to prepare your rice. Wash your peppers thoroughly and then remove the top. Once that you have removed the top, it is important to remove the side sections inside the bell pepper to make sure that it does not become soggy. In a heavy bottom pot or Dutch oven, place your 4 cored bell peppers and let them steam for 10 minutes. Cut 2 pounds of tomatoes or use 2 large cans of diced tomatoes and let it simmer on medium heat. In a pan put on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil as well as a diced onion, stirring everything together, making sure that every piece of the onion is fully coated with oil. Then add 4 cloves of crushed garlic and let it cook until golden. Take a yellow and a red pepper and cut them in strips. Cube and cook 5 pounds of potatoes. I like using my Instant Pot because it's the fastest way. Place your eggs in water and let them boil for 7 minutes. Let's continue the main dish. Add some minced meat. I love this tool. It helps me fluff up this meat. Then once that it's done, I'm gonna add some spices. Coriander with tarragon, basil, and some salt, and I'm going to mix everything together until it is fully combined. Add the rice or the sautéed riced cauliflower and mix until fully combined. Your steamed bell peppers are now ready. Stuff them with the mixture of ground meat, spices, and rice, making sure you do not overstuff them. Otherwise, you might risk that they open while they are baking. Drizzle some olive oil on top and on the side of the bell peppers. Sift some paprika on top for browning effect. Put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes depending on the size of the bell peppers. Your eggs are now ready, so there are 2 ways that you can prepare them for salads. You can cut them in smaller pieces or half them, then serve them on a bed of salad, sprinkle with hot chili peppers, paprika, or black sesame. Your onions for your fish are now golden. Add your coriander, your paprika, mix everything together until fragrant. Add some tomato paste, then water. Mix everything together, then add your sliced bell peppers. Mix everything. Add as many olives as you want. Mix together. Add 1 sliced lemon. Cover everything and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. For the next salad, in a food processor, add a can of pitted olive or sliced olive, green or black. Add some oil, some garlic powder. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a paste. You can add a bit of water or olive oil to reach the desired consistency for your olive dip. For your first side dish, place your potatoes on a paper towel and dry them. Transfer them to a baking sheet and put them in your oven for 5 to 7 minutes. This will allow for the potatoes to soak in the next ingredients. For your Shabbat cholent or dafina, place in your crock pot the cubed potatoes, add sweet potatoes, some eggs as well as your meat, top it off with paprika, garlic and salt, a bit of oil and cover it with water. Set the temperature to low and enjoy this amazing cholent for Shabbos lunch. Take out your potatoes from the oven and place them while hot in a bowl and mash them. I really love this potato masher and I will leave the link in the description box below. After mashing them thoroughly, put them in a heavy bottom pot and add some margarine, some plant-based milk, salt and garlic, and mix until you reach the right consistency. Uncover your pan and add some honey. Place your salmon on top of the sauce. Tilting the pan slightly, baste the salmon. Let it simmer covered on low to medium heat for no more than 10 minutes. Your tomatoes for the next salad should be almost reduced by now. Add some salt, garlic, oil with a dash of honey, and you can add as well some hot peppers to add some kick. Keep cooking your salade cuite or tchoukchouka until it is fully reduced. As a second side dish, we're going to do green beans à la Provençal. We are going to put whether frozen or fresh green beans in a bowl, add some salt, add some water, and we are going to mix them thoroughly. We are going to check them one by one to make sure there are no apparent holes. Once that you have done that, you're going to place them in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the green beans, add some salt, garlic, bell peppers, as well as slivered almonds, and you're ready to enjoy it. For your next salad, you could simply make a traditional grated carrot and cabbage salad, but if you want to up your game, cut some raw beets in thin matchstick size. Do the same with the carrots, add some cabbage, with a bit of oil, lemon juice, fresh parsley, onions and honey, and you have a beautiful and amazing salad. Your next step will be a new twist on the classic salad. Cut roughly some tomatoes, slice some cucumbers, finely dice some onions and coriander. And I will share with you a trade secret. If you never want to cry again while cutting onions, put a damp paper towel next to your onions and you will see you will never cry again. Let me know in the comments below if it works for you too. For the sauce, you will take some lemon juice, olive oil, salt, old-fashioned mustard seed, brown sugar, mix it thoroughly, and enjoy this amazing salad. For your next salad, add some mayo with chicken soup powder, finely sliced cucumbers with onions, grated carrots, mash roughly your potatoes to mix everything together to enjoy this scrumptious potato salad. In your Shabbat meal prep, we are going to do as a dessert a Pavlova. Separate your eggs, making sure that there are no blood spots in any eggs. Beat your egg whites on high speed. Add some sugar, some potato starch, a bit of lemon juice, and continue beating until you have firm peaks. Form a nest on your parchment paper and put it in the oven until golden. In the meantime, prepare the filling. Take NutriWhip or any plant-based whipped cream, whip it until firm. Then it's time to assemble your Pavlova. Add your whipped cream in the nest. Then you can go as simple as just adding a few blueberries on top, but you can also add a plethora of fruits. And as an alternative, you can also add before the whipped cream some fruit coulis. This dessert completed our Shabbat prep. In 1 hour, we did an egg salad, an olive dip, a tomato dip, 3-colored salad, a potato salad, some tchoukchouka, some Moroccan fish, and amazing stuffed peppers, as well as 2 side dishes, without forgetting our dafina or cholent with a dessert. As a follow-up for this meal prep, I would encourage you to watch these meal preps, one for Shabbat and one for the weekday. And of course, if you like this kind of content all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful Jewish life, please consider subscribing. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.